Live from the office, richly presents Yacht Club Kicks, infamous Snake Fist Kung Fu. Bitch.
This is my snake style, venomous spit steadily drips from my lips like syphilis. From the tip of a dick, I'm spitting it quick. Listen, you prick, my style ridiculous. Trying to be inconspicuous with a suspicious click. I'm sickening. Every bar I hit them with, leave them on the floor, belly down like they slithering. Like a serpent, my verses are virgins. My words, they be hurting. The beat till it's murdered. I'm able to withstand the forces of 6 men. Never sinking even if I'm swimming up in quicksand. Storm in with one hand in my horse stance. I'm able to knock your crew back in the foreign lands. You act sweet, my boys crushing you boy bands. You lack heat, you don't want it in the back streets. I spark reef for steady feasting on shark meat. Snake fist strikes in the dark, stopping your heartbeat. Duck when the missiles deploy, praying to Jesus, bringing a noise like I was delivering speakers. Tell your boys that they better believe it, cause I come through grilling motherfuckers like a rack of some beef ribs. They really wanna know all my secrets, well I'll tell them and I'll kill them right after to prevent it from leaking. I suggest you prevent me from speaking, cause I told them that talk is cheap and that silence is golden. Hold up.